We all feel anger, frustration, or intense desire. But what if those impulses could actually help us grow? In psychology, this transformation is called sublimation. Sublimation is a defense mechanism where negative impulses are redirected into positive, socially acceptable actions. Instead of exploding in anger, someone might channel that energy into sports or intense exercise. Instead of being overwhelmed by emotional pain, they might pour those feelings into art, music, or writing. The impulse doesn't disappear. It changes direction. Sigmund Freud described sublimation as one of the most mature defense mechanisms. It allows the mind to protect itself without denying what we feel. Rather than suppressing or acting out destructive urges, we transform them into something constructive. Sublimation turns negative energy into growth, and that shift can change everything.